The City of Largo is excited to welcome you back to City Hall and other city facilities. As we safely open our doors back to the public, we want to show you how we've restored and renewed our services to meet the current needs of our community. Now, our primary concern is the health and safety of both our team members and the community overall. We encourage you to continue to use online or telephone tools for services whenever possible. You can find them on renewlargo.com, where you can access the online permitting portal, business continuity program, register for recreation classes, and much more. It's also important to stay social because we miss you. The Largo Public Library will be hosting online digital programs. You can check those out on largopubliclibrary.org. Our Central Park Performing Arts Center is also offering live stream entertainment on facebook.com/largoarts. Second, we are resuming regular city services safely and slowly. To demonstrate safe and slow, I've asked my turtle friends at McGow Nature Park to demonstrate. Please note that some facilities have adjusted operating hours, so make sure to check online or call before you come. Now, when you enter a city facility, you'll notice that some things have changed. For example, in City Hall, we now have plexiglass barriers at customer service desks. These are working as germ barriers to keep you and our team members safe. You'll also see new signs around the buildings welcoming you back and with friendly reminders such as limiting group gatherings, 6-foot spacing in waiting areas, and encouraging face masks. Team members and the public are not required to wear face masks, though we are encouraging their use as an additional safety measure. The city has also stepped up their cleaning game and will be providing more hand sanitizing stations for your visit. We will be practicing social distancing in all city facilities, so we ask the public not to gather in groups with people outside of your household and keep a 6-foot distance from others. Some chairs have also been removed, and you may be asked to wait in the safety of your vehicle if safe capacity limits are reached. Team members may also guide you to notice floor markings in many locations, helping us measure out that safe space. Lastly, while we do try to keep a bit more distance than usual, we want to stay connected. Please take a few minutes and visit renewlargo.com. There you'll find all the latest information on what's open throughout the city and other valuable resources. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter, Largo Today. For any questions you may have, please email cityclerk@largo.com or call 727-587-6700. Remember, play safe, Largo, because we are stronger together, just spaced out a little.